This is the app that we need to download. It's called GarageBand, and once you download it, you just need to open it. If you don't have it downloaded, just simply download this app right over here. So once it's downloaded, it will be showing in your home screen just like this app here, as you can see. Just go ahead and open it. So once you open it up, it will show you some options just like this with tracks. Just go ahead and find the option of voice recorder or audio recorder. So here, as you can see, there are many, but you just gotta go ahead and open up audio recorder and press on it. So once you press on it here, as you can see, there are a few things that you need to change right over here. First one being this break icon right over here. So what you need to do is just simply press on it and it will change and it will bring up this. Now what you need to do is just make sure this cursor icon is turned on, or caution, whatever. Just make sure this is turned on and it's blue. Now you just need to go ahead and press on this plus icon on the corner. Just go ahead and press on it. And once you press on it, it will show you all this, and inside it, just you need to go ahead and turn off the automatic if it's automatic, and set your bar to at least 25. And yeah, 25 is okay, and then press done. Once you press done here, as you can see, I have this clean right over here. Now what you need to do is just go ahead and press on this loops icon right over here, loops. So just go ahead and press on it. Once you press on it here, as you can see, it will show you all these audios from Apple Loops and stuff like that. But you just gotta go ahead and press on files, and it will show you all the audios that you have on your device. So if you can't find your audio, just go ahead and press on browse items from files app, and it will show you all the audios that you can use. Let's say if I want to use this one, this audio right over here, I can just press on it, and it will just bring this audio right over here, and you can just simply use it. So I'm just going to use this one audio right over here for this video. What you can just simply drag the video by just holding it down just like this, and once you hold it up, you can just simply put it on track. Once you put it on track, just cut the part where you want to specifically use. So let's say I want to use this part right over here, and just gonna do this. And after that, you can just press on this arrow right over here. Once you press on it, it will show you the option of my songs. Just go ahead and press on my songs, and right over here it will do the saving, and here, as you can see, it says my song. Now what you need to do is just simply press and hold the song. Once you hold it up here, as you can see, it will show you 3 options on the top. By just pressing on share, it will show you some more options, but you just got to go ahead and press on the option of ringtone. Once you press on it here, as you can see, you can now name it. Now I'm just gonna name it with numbers, something like 78, and then post it on your ringtone section, and then press export. And here, as you can see, it says ringtone export successfully. Go ahead and use sound as standard ringtone. Once it's done, now let me check it in my ringtones. If I go to my settings and type sound and haptics ringtone, and here, as you can see, it says 78. It's the same audio that we used. And yeah, this is how you can do it and put your sounds as ringtone. So hope you find it useful. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, goodbye.